Writing a book is exciting, but let's be honest, it can also feel overwhelming. Maybe you're stuck on your first chapter. Maybe you have a great story idea, but you don't know where to begin. That's where our writing services at Notion Press come in. Whether you're looking for expert guidance, or you need feedback as you're writing your book, or you need someone to write your book for you, we've got you covered. At Notion Press, we offer 3 writing services. Let's start with developmental editing. Think of it as having a mentor walk beside you throughout your writing journey. As you write your manuscript, our editors will suggest improvements, guide you, and will ensure that your ideas are coming together clearly. If you're looking for someone to provide valuable feedback as you write, this is the way to go. Next up is ghostwriting. With ghostwriting, a professional writer steps in to write your entire book for you, but in your voice. They will understand your goals and all the details about your book through many long and in-depth conversations, and they will turn your ideas into a manuscript. If you're someone that doesn't have a lot of time to write, or you don't know how to go about writing your book, then having a ghostwriter is ideal. And then we have rewriting. Suppose you've written your manuscript, but you're not happy with it yet. Maybe the tone feels off or the structure is a bit messy. That's where rewriting comes in. Our writers will take your content and they will refine and restructure it to make it stronger. So if you have a good story idea but you don't know how to put it into words, don't worry. Editors and writers are here to help you with whatever you may need. You can also opt for our editing services like copy editing and proofreading. To know more about our editing services, click the link in the description to watch one of our previous videos where we explain it in detail. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!